What up, people? We are finally back. I'm finna be back 5 months after this video. I'm joking. Maybe not. We'll see. But anyways, today we're finna be decorating the balcony. It's gonna be a step-by-step process. So I'll be releasing videos of the whole get down and walk through of what I'm doing to the balcony. Today we're finna be doing the lights. That's gonna be step one. It's like Christmas lights, just like white warm lights. Yeah, my girl wants to decorate the balcony because it's kind of plain right now, and she wants to go there like a patio and chill in the summertime. So I'm gonna go get that started. It's kind of like a tasking process because I gotta drill into the roof because I don't want the lights to fall off. I don't want to put no like tape or stuff that will just easily fall off after a couple of wind blows and shit. So gotta get that done. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Yeah. So let's go. Yeah, so we're on the balcony right now. Gotta get my thing on. This is the roof. So. So guys, I've done the holes. So I'm about to put this in there to give it a little anchor. But yeah. So as I was saying, I'm putting these anchors. I got 11 holes, so I'm gonna put 11 of these. And then I don't know. I might start doing it. I might not. It's kinda early still. But it just depends on how I feel. I have to go get the clips. I don't know where it is. I have to go look for it somewhere. But yeah. Alright. So I got these clips. Yeah, sure. Got these clips here. These little cable clips. For start. Alright guys, we're on to the next step. So these are the lights I'm about to put up. Yeah, just like string lights, like Christmas lights, string lights. I'm gonna start at that end. I'm gonna start over there and I'll go this way. Yeah. Alright guys, so plans change. This side, the screw for this side, I'm trying to put it. I put it in the drill, but when I'm drilling it, it's not going. Like the bit is just spinning and the screw is not moving. So I don't know what's wrong with it. So I just decided to, after 10 minutes of trying, to just do what I did on this side. With the small bit and the small screws, because I still got small screws there. So I'm gonna have to borrow a set of more holes, but hopefully it's faster. Like I said, how fast this was. But yeah, that's the one setback. I'm just gonna do that. Y'all gonna see after. I'm not really gonna show it. I just want to get it done quick and get it over with. But, so I got this done. Yeah. So this is all I could do for today. I'm gonna put it on. Just gonna see how it looks. It's kind of loose, like you see the loop. So I'm gonna tighten it up to kind of have a tight fit to the roof. And yeah, but looking good so far. You know what I mean? It's process. So I'll finish it, then y'all gonna see the final finish or whatever. So yeah, all right. I got the second lights. Yesterday I had to cut it short. Like I said, probably had issues, but these are my second lights I got. I just attached it. I just joined it together. So this is what the rest of the roof looks like. See that? I'm gonna go through a couple different modes. So this is just step one. See y'all next time for step two. Step two will be, I don't know. You'll see it when you see it, I guess. I don't know what comes first, what comes second. But at least this is done. Alright.